So, good morning, students. Today, again, we are going to start with the narration. So, now, narration. What actually narration is? You have done direct, indirect, that is reported speech in your class 7. That is not a new topic to you. This is just a revision of the previous one. You have all done it, and I know very well that you all know the rules of narration. So, what is narration? Narration is actually narrative. When the words of the speaker, words, you can say they are spoken by other person, some third person, then they are said to be in the indirect speech. Okay. So the correct words of the speaker or the words of the speaker as it is. Okay. If it is written as it is in by putting them in inverted commas, then it is called as direct speech. But when the words of the speaker it's told or it is said the third person, okay, showing what or showing the substance of the words of the speaker, then it is called as indirect speech. And now you know that there are various rules for that. Okay, so let us revise the rules once again. Okay, so in this term you will have, in this you can say first periodic test, you will have the simple rules, means related to all the tenses. Okay, we will have the revision of all the tenses, rules of tenses that are applicable to that of narration. So let us have a look towards the board. Okay, I'm focusing upon the board. Let us have. So first of all, you know that, for example, he said, I have put it into, suppose we are going to do narration. Okay, narration. I am going with my friends. Right? So here in this case, just see that, 1 minute please. So here in this case, this is called as reported verb, and this, the part which is inside the inverted commas, it is called as reported speech. Okay, this is called as reported speech, right? So what you have to do, just remember that reported speech is always put within the inverted commas. Okay, so after the inverted commas, the first letter is always the capital letter. So next, when we have to change it into inverted commas, just remember that first of all, these inverted commas are removed. Then in place of that, what we are using conjunction. For example, that in case of simple sentences, and there is rule for changing these persons. Okay, there is rule for changing the persons of the subject, which is this rule, that is SON rule. Okay, SON rule. What is SON rule? According to SON rule, the first person is changing. Okay, the first person is changing according to subject. Second person is changing according to object. And in the third person, there is no change. And in the third person, there is no change. It that first person I and we, they change according to subject. Second person you, it changes according to object. And third person he, she, it, etc. There is no change in these. So this is SON rule. Next, afterwards, next general rules. You can write it down in your notebooks. Otherwise, I'm going to send you these rules also. So next, afterwards, these rules must be written in your notebooks. So next, afterwards, then general rules. You know, whenever there is say or says in the reporting verb, here in the reporting verb, if say or says is there, then there is no change. There is no change. When say to or says to is there, say to is changing to what? Say to is changing to tell, and says to is changing to tells to. Okay, because to is introduced, this is the reason why say to is changing to tell and says to is changing to tells. Sorry, to is not there. Okay, to tells. Okay, next, whenever there is said, no change, then there is no change. But when there is said to, then said to is there. So then said to is changed to told. This we are changing. Said to is going to change to told. Right? So these are some of the basic rules of, you can say, narration. Okay, this we are going to do. Okay, so these are the basic rules of narration. These rules you also have to write down in your notebooks. So first of all, this is this part which reports what the subject is saying. It is called as reporting verb, and this is reported speech. So SON rule, first person is changing according to subject, second person is changing according to object, and third person there is no change. So general rules, say and says, no change, say to and says to, tell and tells. When said is there, we don't change, and when said to is there, we change into told. Okay, now let us do the next main rules. Okay, next, first of all, simplified rules today we are going to do. Okay, so next afterwards we are having the next rule with us. Yes, according to is, next is, if suppose if the reporting verb is in the simple present or present indefinite. Okay, for example, I told that says is there, no change. Okay, it means if reporting verb is in present indefinite, or you can say, or if it is in future indefinite, then if it is in present indefinite or if it is in future indefinite, tense doesn't change. How tense doesn't change? You know, I told you, when if there is say or if there is will say, then there is no change. For example, he says Ram is a foolish boy. So here in this, says is in simple present tense, so there will be no change. So what it will be? No change in tense. He says that Ram is a foolish boy. Simple one, no change at all. Okay, if I told, if here in case of says, there will be will say, which is simple future indefinite. Okay, so suppose he will say, suppose if there is, he will say, I am late. So there, what it is there? I am late. Here, the subjects, they will change. Okay, according to the rule. But tense doesn't change, because here it is this will say. Will say is what? Will say is future indefinite. So there won't be any change. So what will be the answer? Into indirect, he will say that he is late. He is, okay, right? So next afterwards, coming up to, I am unmuting students, don't mute yourself. Okay, so those who want to participate in discussion, don't mute yourself.
Ma'am, the board is blur.
Okay, I will send the clip. Okay, next afterwards, the next rule is when there is universal truth. When there is universal truth, again in case of universal truth, what it is there? There is no change in the tense. Okay, there is no change. You remember, for example, he said, God is everywhere. God is everywhere. He said God is everywhere. So what is this? Okay, so here in this case, just see, God is everywhere, it is universal truth. So again, there won't be any change. So what will be the answer? He said that God is everywhere. Suppose if I say, my friend said, I am an early riser. This is habitual action. Okay, so if there is any habitual fact, then also there is no change. Okay, suppose if I say, my friend said I'm an early riser. My friend said I am an early riser. Okay, so how it will change? No change because it is an habit. It will be my friend said that. I will change into he. Stands no change. He is an early riser. Okay, that he is an early riser. Okay, right? So if there is universal truth, no change. If there is habitual fact, then there is no change. Okay, so but if there is, you suppose if there is any past historical fact, then again there is no change. If there is past historical fact, if there is past historical fact, then again there is no change in it. Suppose he said, suppose he said Ashoka, he said Ashoka renounced war after Kalinga battle. This is fact that Ashoka, he has started to follow the path of Buddha when he has come to know what kind of destruction is caused by wars. So this is historical fact. Because it is a historical fact, there won't be any change in the tense of course. So how it will come out to be? He said that no change in the tense. Ashoka renounced war after Kalinga battle. Ashoka renounced war after Kalinga battle. Okay. So these are some of the basic rules that you have to revise. So once again, let us revise that if there is any historical fact, then again there is no change. If there is, you can say, if there is habitual fact, no change. If there is universal truth, no change. And if this reporting verb is in future indefinite or it is in present indefinite, then again there is no change in the tense. No change. Okay, so these are the rules when we have no change. Yes, beta.
मैम आपने में क्या लिखा? He said Ashoka renounced.
Renounced. RENOUNCED. Renounced. Renounced.
And there is disturbance from somewhere.
Yes.
Then I will mute. You will not participate in discussion. Okay. Next, afterwards, coming up to the other rules of tenses. Okay. So for the other rules, you know that we have the simple rules. Simple present tense is changing into. So let us write down the rules for narration. Now, simple rules of tenses for narration. Rules of tenses for narration. Now, what are the rules for tenses? First of all, you know, simple present tense is changing into simple past tense. Simple past tense. Okay, simple present tense is changing into simple past tense. Okay, this you know, right? Okay, then the examples we will do afterwards. Okay, next. Afterwards, present continuous is changing into past continuous. Present continuous is changing into past continuous, right? Present perfect it is changing into past perfect tense. It is changing into past perfect tense. Okay, so these three for simple present tense. For perfect continuous we need not to do. Then afterwards we will have for past tense. This is for present tense. Next, for past tense we will do present and past today. Okay, for past tense what we have, simple past will change into past perfect. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous, and past perfect, then there is no change in past perfect. Then there is no change in past perfect. Okay, so these are the rules that you will keep in mind, that simple present will change into simple past tense, present continuous will change into past continuous, present perfect will change into past perfect, simple past tense will change into past perfect, past continuous will change into past perfect continuous, and past perfect there is no change. Okay, so there is no change in case of past perfect, right? So I hope that these rules are clear to you. Yes, so I hope that these rules are clear to you. Next, afterwards we are proceeding towards the practice of these rules. So let us start. I'm writing on the board some of the examples and you have to give the answers to these examples. Okay, so let us start. So first one is, suppose Maya said, this is the first one, this is a good painting. Maya said this is a good painting. Which tense it is? Here it is simple present tense. Okay, so let me unmute the students, those who want to give the answer. Yes, you can give the answer side by side. Yes. So first of all, so how it will be changed? How it will be changed?
Maya said,
Only one will speak. One student.
Maya
One
said
can-
that.
Okay, Pragati will speak.
Maya said that this was a good painting.
Why this was? Yes, why this was? Because this is simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense will change into simple past tense. So Maya said, in place of these comma inverted commas, we will remove these. What we will introduce? We will introduce that. Then afterwards, because we have introduced the conjunction, this capital letter, it will change into small letter. That this was a good painting. Simple present tense is changing into simple past tense. Okay, suppose next afterwards. Yes.
Ma'am, this is a good painting. Ma'am, this will not be changed into that.
Yes, sorry. This will also be changed into that. That means this is changing into that. It means that two times we will use that. Okay, right? because this into that, these into those, we are changing in case of narration. Next, afterwards, we are having again the next example. Suppose Harsh said, I am waiting for Deepti. I'm waiting for Deepti. So now in this case, how it will be changing? Yes.
Harsh said that he was waiting for Deepti.
Yes. How? What will be the answer? The answer will be Harsh said, then that he
Was waiting.
Yes, he was
waiting.
present continuous. It will change into past continuous.
Past continuous.
That he was waiting for Deepti. The answer you will write on your own. Okay. Next, suppose the third one is Maya said, comma, inverted commas, start, we have done our work. So this is which tense? Have is there. So it is present perfect. Present perfect will
Ma'am, can I tell?
past perfect. Yes, Khyati can speak.
Maya said that they had done our work.
There, R will change into there. We are talking about the third person. So Maya said that they had done their work. That they had done their
And,
work.
work.
Next, suppose. Next, afterwards we are having another one, fourth one. Suppose answers you will write on your own. Okay. So the fourth one is, suppose Tara said, Payal gave me a present. Payal gave me a present. Tara said Payal gave me a present. Yes, Rhythm. Speak out the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Tara said that Payal had given her a present.
Had given me will
Her
change
a present.
her a present.
Her
Tara said that Payal, because it is gave, simple past tense, it will change into past perfect. That Payal had given, who is me referring to her, the girl, her a present.
present.
Yes. Next, fifth one, Beena said, I was reading an excellent book. So change into indirect. Yes, Kritika.
Nina said that she had been reading an excellent book.
Yes, Beena said that because it was past continuous, so it will change into past perfect continuous. That she had been reading an excellent book. Okay, so next afterwards, past perfect, you know that there is no change. For example, Karan said, he had reached early. Karan said he had reached early. So yes, change it into indirect. Who will change?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please.
Karan said that he had reached early.
That he had reached early, because it is which tense? Because it is past perfect tense, so there
Past
will
perfect.
be no change. Suppose I write down the next sentence. He said, I am going to school. I am going to school. Yes, how it will change?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please.
He said that he was going to school.
Yes, he said that he was, because it is present continuous, will change into past continuous, that he was going to school. Right? Next, Ramesh said to me, I saw Mohan. I saw Mohan. So how it will
Ma'am,
change?
can I tell?
Yes,
Can I tell?
yes, Rhythm.
Ramesh told me that he
Ramesh told
had
me,
seen.
because said to is changing into told. Ramesh told
Yes.
me that
He had seen Mohan.
he had seen Mohan, because it is simple past tense. Simple past will change into past perfect, that he had seen Mohan. Right? Next, the teacher said, two and two makes 4. Who will give the answer?
Ma'am,
Can I
can
give
I?
the answer?
Yes,
Can I tell?
okay.
The teacher said that 2 and 2 makes 4.
That 2 and 2 makes 4.
4.
Okay, but why there is no change? Because this is
Universal
the
truth.
truth. Because this is universal truth, right? So next, if I write down in something in negative, or let me write down for perfect. You said to me, you said to me, you have not lent him 5,000 rupees. You have not lent him 5,000 rupees. You have not lent him 5,000 rupees. So how it will change?
Ma'am, can I
Can
tell?
I tell?
Whose turn hasn't come? Pragati can tell, yes.
You told me that you had not lent him 5,000 rupees.
Right. So very good. Okay, you told me that you had not lent him 5,000 rupees. So in this manner, these 10 sentences you have to write down in your notebooks. Okay. So some of the other easy one rules we will do tomorrow, and I will also give you examples of future tense in the next lecture. Okay, along with the reading of the next chapter. So I hope that these rules are clear to you. So it is clear to
Yes,
you.
मैम हमने चैप्टर कंप्लीट नहीं किया था.
Yes, ma'am.
We will complete in the next one. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
it is for the rules of narration that you have to do today. Okay.